Alright guys, I'm dove hunting. I have my first electronic decoy out there. Got my new double barrel shotgun, Stover Uplander, 20 gauge. And we're going to see if we can shoot a dove with this thing today. I have another gun, my normal gun, but we're going to try this one, see if I can get a bird with this, for first bird with this gun. Stay tuned. Almost no recoil on this gun. There we go guys, I got first kill with this new shotgun. Came in down by the decoy over there, off to the left, and I used the front trigger and got him. The front trigger is modified, the back trigger is full choke, but I got him. Beautiful bird. Stay tuned.
Oh, I'm in the head. That time I fired both triggers. Right there, you see another dove. Stay tuned.
Alright guys, here's the third bird that I got this morning. Missed probably 2 or 3 and got 3, so not bad as far as shooting goes. Didn't see too many birds in range today, but we're gonna do a catch and cook right now, hopefully over an open fire, because I haven't eaten lunch yet, and that's gonna be my lunch. So we're gonna skip to the catch and cook portion. Stay tuned. Alright guys, we have our doves right here, and we have a fire pit. It's about as easy as it gets. We just got the dove meat, some Longhorn Steakhouse seasoning, and an open fire. That's as simple as it gets. We're going to try to see if we can do a catch and cook. Stay tuned. try our open fire piece of dove meat. Stay tuned. It's actually not that bad. That's actually not that bad. It just tastes like a weird piece of steak almost. This bird was flying in the air just 2 hours ago, and now I'm eating them. It's actually really good. I'm happy I did that. It's actually a lot better than what I was expecting. I thought it was going to taste like charcoal. But it's like an odd piece of beef jerky almost. A little bit chewy, but that's about it. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. This catch cook was quite different than what I normally do. I wanted to do one here with the open fire just to see what it was like. It actually wasn't that bad. It was pretty good, honestly. But at the same time, I haven't eaten anything all day, so just about anything could taste good to me at this point. Stay tuned for more dove hunts and more videos. Until next time, Solano Bay, my friends. I'll see you on the flip side.